everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have it's a mattress pad, and it is a waterproof kind of one, but it should be breathable as well. So it protects against fluids, dust mites, bacteria. Let's check this out. This one here is the one that goes over the top of the mattress. It doesn't go fully around it. It's not like one of those zipper ones. I didn't like those zipper ones when I had them. I felt like it just trapped all this air or something inside of it. But this is what it looks like here. You can see it's got pretty thick. Let's open it up here. It's got a plasticky kind of backing here, which is totally plastic. And then you have the front side here, which is like a quilted fabric, like a cotton side. So it's kind of nice that you have that cotton going on there too. So you have the comforting side, but the plasticky side is super soft that it's not going to make noise or anything like that. You know, like when plastic usually is crunchy like that. This is not crunchy. This is nice. So it's going to be nice and waterproof. So it should keep the bed nice and dry. I sweat a lot and stuff. That's why I wanted to get something like this, because I just sweat on anything. And I'm going to have another pad in between it. So I'll have this pad, then I'll have my cooling kind of memory foam pad, and then I sleep on that. So if I sweat, at least it won't go through to the mattress and make my mattress gross. So I like it. So there was a lot of information. Thumbs up though. I like this one.